Fish, guys. Trout. Trout, guys. I saw him come up and smoke it. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Logan, and thank you for watching. First things first, we are 50% of the way there to our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. We're up over 500 now, 500 to go, and we're going to hit it. So if you're a new viewer, make sure you guys go down and subscribe. You guys can like, do all that stuff. Anyways, so now that we got that out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out and do some creek/canal fishing for whatever bites. Whatever we can get to bite, whatever we can trick, that's what we're going to catch. We're going to head down to the right now. Hopefully we can slay them. Perch, pike, zander, trout, whatever we get, that's what we get. And that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like the video, go down and like it. If you have not subscribed, go down and subscribe. We're going to hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. And if you guys think I suck, you guys are going to let me know that down in the comments too. All right? So that's all I got for you. Let's get it. All right, guys. Well, a beautiful day here in Bavaria, Germany. One of the few we've had this year so far. And we are going to do some creek/canal ultralight fishing today. Going for pretty much whatever we can get to bite, whether it's a trout, whether it's a pike, perch, whatever's biting is what we're catching. So let's go ahead and get to it. Just throwing a little mini jig here. I never fished this stretch of the creek before, or the canal. Fish, guys. Fish. Stuck in this freaking grass. I don't know what it is. Not sure what we got here. It's all wrapped up in that grass. Oh, it's a perch. Oh, it's a good perch. But he's hung up in that freaking grass. Good perch, guys. Nice perch. Nice perch, guys. Check it out. That's what we wanted. That's what we're after. Check that out, boys. Good perch. Nice. That's what we're after. That's what we're talking about right there, boys. Check out that perch. Good perch, guys. Nice. That's why we came to the canal. To get perch like that right there. You got all tangled up in that grass, but we were able to somehow get them through there. All right, guys, there's a perch. There's one. It's exactly what we wanted. I love it when a plan comes together. That was nice. Let's go. Let's keep at it. Might be more. I thought it might have been a trout until I saw the bright orange fins on that thing. But we got a good perch. Off to a good start. Let's keep it going. All right, guys, we are at the next spot under the bridge. Same mini jig. There's a fish. Fish, guys. I'm not sure what it is. Small, probably just a perch. It's a little perch. There's another one. There's number 2. Not that this is a giant or anything, but it's a perch. We'll take it. So 2 perch on the board. Not nearly as big as the last one. But that is number 2. Can't complain about that. Fish is a fish. Let's see, maybe we get another one, bigger one. Fish, guys. There we go. There's one. Right when I got done saying we're due for one. I think it's a little perch. It's got to be a perch. Oh, it's a chub, I think. It's a chub. Boat flip. Oh, I lost him. All right, guys. So, new species. So that's 2 perch and a chub. So, not mad about it. Another fish. Let's get this guy back in. We're not going to keep this guy. He's pretty small. But there's a chub. So, that's a good sign. There's a fish. Happy about that. Let's see if we can get another one. Come on. Keep hammering. Fish, guys. Finally a fish. Small perch. God bless. There is the hardest perch to catch, I think, ever. I was grinding. I could see him coming up and following it, but that little dink perch took that long to catch. And boy, am I glad I finally got one. Let that guy go. I could see them all over the place, but they just weren't committing to taking the jig. Finally got one. Fish, guys. Trout. Nice. Trout, guys. I saw him come up and smoke it. There's my net. I saw him come up and grab it. Got him. Yes. Brooke trout. Look at that trout, boys. I saw him come up and grab it right there, right at the bank. Beautiful looking fish too. Look at that trout, boys. Beautiful brook trout. Little creek, micro fishing. I saw him come up and just absolutely smoke that jig. Guys, that trout, that's a beautiful looking trout. There it is right there. Beautiful brook trout. All right, guys. All right, guys. So we got the one brook trout. He came up and just smoked that jig. Another one. Another one, guys. Another trout. Oh. Another brook trout, guys. Right there, right in front of us. Oh, he's fast. See if I get him in the net. See if we can net him. When they get into that current, they're really strong to control. Got him.
Look at that trout, guys. Beautiful trout. He's got a leech on him right there. Look at that Brooke Trout. Saibling, as they're known here in Germany. Beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. Not as big as some of the other ones we've caught this year. All right, guys, so keep at it. Something came up over here and blew up. I don't know what it was. All right, let's see. Oh, another one, guys. Another trout. He was right there in that hole. Let's see if I can net him. Another trout, boys. About the same size as the last two. He's right there. Grab my net. See if I can get him. One is I'm up on this hill right now. See if I can extend this net. What a disaster. I'm trying to extend my net and fight this trout at the same time. Got it extended. Not too much pressure on this fish. Got him. Yes. Yes. That one's a little bit better size than the last one. There's another trout, boys. Slaying the trout today. Started off a little slow, but they seem to be biting good now. All right, hook out. There's our third trout, third brook trout, Saibling as they're known here in Germany. Probably the biggest one of the day right there. And yeah, guys, there's number 3. All right, boys, the action has picked up a little bit here now. We've got 3 trout back to back, 3 Saibling. So keep casting, see if we can get some more fish. Another one, another trout, guys. Another trout. This one might be the biggest one so far. It's at least the strongest. Another one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Another brook trout, it looks like. Yep. Another one right there. Go this way. See if I can grab him. Right there, boys. That's number 4, believe it or not. After going real cold for a while after the big perch. Let this guy get tired. These things are so strong for their size. He's actually pulling a little bit of drag. Look at that, listen. Ooh, no, this might be something different. This might actually be a brown trout. Can't tell, gotta get him closer. Come over, everybody. My net's over there. Maybe I can get him back to my net. I'll try to get back to the net. See if we can get to the net, guys. This guy's actually pulling drag and everything. Jeez. Let's go grab the net. Oh, no, we get him. He's getting tired now. All right, so, oh, it's a brown trout. Oh, it's a brown trout. Guys, check it out. It's actually a brown trout. But that is a brown trout right there. A nice one too. All right, boys, there's that brown trout, the beautiful brown right there. Oh, perch on accident. Got a perch, guys, right there on accident. Whatever, fish is a fish. We will take it. I don't know, that's what, third or fourth perch. Can't be mad about it. Let him go. Well, all right, guys, I think we're done for the day. Successful day of fishing, some creek fishing.
All right, guys, that's it. Not a bad day of fishing on the water. There were some periods in there you guys didn't see, but I grinded out. We ended up with what? Three brook trout. Saibling is known here in Germany. 1 brown trout, a chub, and then what? That good perch, that solid perch, and then maybe 2-3 little ones. So not a bad day. A good multi-species. That's 4 different species we caught today. I'm not mad about that. All in the ultralight. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you have not subscribed, go down and subscribe right now. Like I said, we are going to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Be a part of the movement. Go down and subscribe right now. Like it. Everybody that always likes and comments, I appreciate. Keep doing that. We need it. I need it. We need it to grow this channel, and I appreciate everybody that does that. So that's all I got for you. Everybody, make sure you stay safe out there. And from beautiful Bavaria, Germany, let's get it.